Okay, so today I'm going to show y'all how to assemble and disassemble a Super Black Eagle 3, or better known as SP3. So first you're going to want to start off and take this part off. There you go. And then, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. You're gonna want to take this part out right here. There you go. You want to take that part off so you don't, so this doesn't interfere with this part. Just slides off real nice and easy. There you go. So now you have this part, which you pull back on. You want to set that right there, right there, put that right there. Then you have the inertia system. I'll set that right here. And then to get this part out, there's a little pin you got to press. You can get a little Allen wrench or whatever you would like, a little pin or needle. Get that through. There you go. So now you got that. Set that over here with these. And now this slides out real nice and easy. Through the bottom, not through the top. There you go. Now you have that. And that is how to fully disassemble a SP3 or Super Black Eagle. And now we got to put it back together. So you want to start with doing this. When you do this, there is a little thing right here you got to press in, so it'll go in. There you go. So now that's back in. Do not forget the pin. That is the most important part. Okay, now that's back in. You want to put this in. There you go. And if you press this right here, you can push that in, you can push this in, and it will stay. So then you just put this like that. Then it just slides on. There you go, and then put this back on. And then there you go. So that's how to assemble / disassemble a Benelli Super Black Eagle 3. Pretty easy.